Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're talking about LangChain. It's a toolkit for building AI apps.
So LLMs like GPT-4 are amazing, right? But building a real app with them, that's the tricky part.
It's kind of like having a super powerful engine, but no car built around it.
And that's where LangChain comes in. It's the toolkit you need to build the actual car.
So what exactly is LangChain? Think of it as a framework to streamline building apps with LLMs.
Okay, let's look at the core building blocks. You got the LLM module, prompts, and chains.
First up, the LLM module. It's basically a universal adapter for any language model out there.
So you can easily swap models in and out. Think Llama 2 or GPT-4, doesn't matter.
All right, you've got your model connected. Now you need to tell it what to do.
And that's where prompt templates come in handy. They're like reusable instruction sets for the LLM.
Think of them as blueprints. They make sure your AI gets clear directions every single time.
Okay, now let's connect everything together with chains. This is where it gets really powerful.
Basically, chains let you link a series of calls together. The output of one becomes the input for the next.
It's like an automated assembly line for your AI. Each step can be a different task. But what if your AI needs to access your private data? LLMs don't know that stuff.
That's what indexes are for. They structure your documents so the LLM can actually use them.
It's a three-step process. You load your data, split it into smaller chunks, and then store it.
Okay, another problem. LLMs have no long-term memory. Every single interaction is a fresh start.
LangChain's memory component totally changes this. It allows the model to remember past conversations.
So your app can actually recall what you've talked about. It's a total game changer. And finally, let's talk about the master tool, agents. This is where things get really smart. An agent uses the LLM as a reasoning engine. It decides which actions to take and in what order.
So you give the agent a set of tools, and it figures out which one to use for the job.
When you combine all these tools, you can build something way beyond just a simple chatbot. So, now that developers have this powerful toolkit, what will they create next?
Thank you. Share and subscribe to Learn AI for more AI insights.